So if we really want to stop climate change, what we need to understand is just how the world works. How do these ecosystems capture and store carbon? And how much potential is there for extra carbon capture if we restore them to full effect? The difficult thing about restoring is that you need to understand the ecosystem, so you can't just plant any trees anywhere. You need to know that those types of trees can grow in those types of soils. And then when you have that understanding, you can be really effective.
Right now, we are doing the best that we can do to restore the peatland ecosystem. We plant the trees in the area that has been burned for over 2 decades. We are not powerless. We want to show the world what can be done.
Blue carbon refers to carbon that is captured and stored by the oceans. There's the seagrass meadows, the tidal marshes and the mangrove forests. And these ecosystems occupy less than 1% of the sea floor, yet they sequester more than half the ocean's carbon.